Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to look at a tool that could seriously change the game when it comes to capturing info from your screen. If you've ever found yourself tearing your hair out trying to create a report, a study guide, or, any kind of tutorial, you know the pain. Let's dive in and see if there's a better way. All right, first up, let's talk about a problem that, well, I'm pretty sure we've all been there. The way we usually grab stuff from our screens is, let's be real, it's a total mess. It's clunky, it breaks our concentration, and it just wastes so much time. I mean, does this sound familiar to you? You're trying to pull together information from all over the place, a website over here, a PDF there, maybe some software you're using, and you just get stuck in this endless, tedious loop of snipping and pasting. Yeah, you know the drill. You snip a little piece of the screen, you save it as screenshot-final-final2.png on your cluttered desktop, then you gotta open up Word or Google Docs, paste it in, switch back to what you were doing, and do it all over again, and again, and again. Each little step just completely shatters your focus. But what if you could just throw that entire frustrating process out the window? This is where Screen to PDF steps in. It's designed to take all that chaos and replace it with just pure, simple flow. Seriously, just imagine it, capturing every single thing you need from every single app without ever breaking your stride. No more saving a million different files, no more endless copy-pasting, just one smooth, smart process. And this really says it all, doesn't it? Over on the left, you've got that chaotic mess we were just talking about. And on the right, the new way, a single, clean, streamlined session. It's not just a little better, it's a whole new way of thinking about your work. Okay, so how on earth does it do this? Let's get into the feature that is the absolute secret sauce, the one thing that really makes this tool a complete game changer. It's multi-capture mode. This right here, this is the magic. You're not just taking pictures of your screen. You're actually building a document in real time as you work. You can grab pieces from different apps and just watch them automatically build up into one single file. So the magic is really in how it's built. There's this little floating tool that just stays on top of all your windows. That means you can jump between your browser, a PDF, and your code editor, grabbing snips from each one without ever stopping the capture session. And every single thing you grab just slots right into one document that grows as you work. So why does this even matter? Well, the impact on your work is huge. Your whole workflow gets way, way faster. If you're making a step-by-step guide or putting together research, it becomes crystal clear. And maybe the most important part, you stay focused. You get to stay in that in-the-zone feeling. But, and this is a big but, this tool isn't just about capturing stuff. That's only the beginning. Once you have all your visuals, it gives you a whole toolbox to turn them into a polished, professional-looking document. I mean, you get this entire annotation toolkit right there. You can add little text notes, draw shapes and arrows to point things out, highlight the important bits, and even black out sensitive info right in the app. It's all about adding context and making those captures actually mean something. And the control doesn't stop there. You're basically the director of your own document. You can drag and drop pages to change the order, make a copy of a page, or even pull in other PDFs and images you already have and merge it all together. You get total control over the final product. Okay, now this next feature, this is a total game changer. It has OCR built in. What that means is it can actually read the text inside your screenshots, so your whole document becomes searchable. You can even copy and paste text right out of an image you just captured. It basically turns dead images into living, useful information. Okay, let's talk about something that's on everyone's mind these days: privacy. In a world where everything is in the cloud, you have to wonder, where does my data actually go? Well, this tool takes let's just say, a very different approach, and it's one you're going to love. And this is so, so important. This app is 100% offline. It does everything right there on your computer. Nothing, and I mean nothing, gets uploaded to some random server in the cloud. Just let that sink in for a second. Whether you're capturing financial data, company secrets, or just personal stuff, it never, ever leaves your machine. Your stuff stays your stuff. Period. So when you put all this together, the easy capture, the powerful editing, the rock-solid privacy, who is this actually for? Who's going to get the most out of this? Well, it's pretty much a dream come true for a few groups of people. For professionals, you can create technical reports in a fraction of the time. For students and researchers, you can pull together notes from tons of sources into one organized guide. And for content creators, you can build amazing visual tutorials with almost no effort. And really, that's what it all boils down to. This tool takes this simple screenshot and turns it into something so much more powerful. It transforms that whole chaotic process into a smart, fast way to create real, editable, and shareable documents. So, I guess the question I'll leave you with is this. Are you ready to stop juggling a million files and finally just focus on creating? Are you ready to ditch the distraction and get back into a state of flow? Maybe, just maybe, this is the tool you've been waiting for.